Hi guys, just want to go over your test with you before you take it. Each section's broken up per learning target. Uh, do this though, just make sure you type your answers in a different font or a different color, I mean. That way, that one didn't work. That way I know, like, it's just easy for me to find your work and your answers. So, uh, whatever it might be, just please use a different color. There is a couple things I need to show you, like as far as like typing out like formulas and names, how to make subscripts. So if I had, let's just say I had uh, copper 2 chloride. So if I had copper 2 chloride, what I would do would just be CuCl, the elements, and then do control comma and to there, control comma gets me out of a subscript. So that's how you can do, um, or you can just go to insert or format text, insert, whatever it might be. There's a way to do it up here too, but control comma, it's gets you in and gets you out of easily making subscripts. Okay, next thing would just be balancing, writing it out. If you need to do, like say I had aluminum plus a copper chloride, control comma, subscript. Now to make an arrow, here's what you do. You go next to the 0 key, there's 2 dashes, you dash dash, and then you go shift period to make that sign. Hit spacebar and it makes a nice arrow sign. So there you go, that's that. And then for these two, just write it all out, do what you can, different color font. You can delete right in there, just delete the line, whatever you want to do. And then here in the stoichiometry part, so let's say I had 3.5 grams of Mg. I can go parentheses, and then the trick is to go to insert, equation, and then click this button, A over B. Now I can do 1 mole over 24.11 grams, I think it is. And then click out of it. And then go back into another bracket, insert. So then I click new equation, A over B, 1 mole of whatever over 2 moles of whatever. That's not the answers, I'm just showing you how to do it. So that's how you can insert that. That'll be helpful, make it nice and neat. And then the molarity equation, same thing, molarities equal to, using the new equation editor, 12.1.2 over 221.1 liters, whatever it is, and then that way you can solve for it. So and then same thing for M1V1 is equal to M2V2. All right, so there's some tricks and tips on how to enter it into there. Now I'm just going to suggest this. Don't Google every question because it'll take you longer to do it. Google and try to find the answers than it will just to actually like just try it. So go ahead, just try it, do it. You're going to have a good amount of time to do that. So just uh, submit it and I'll grade them and get them back to you. And like I said, it's low pressure. It's about as worth as much as your daily checks combined. So, alrighty guys, have a good day. Talk to you.